Hi friends, welcome to Tech Talks Kerala. The language which will be used in this video will be English because if I talk in English means so many people will understand that concept and the things very easily. A lot of people has been asking me the same question because the people outside Kerala can't follow my language. So at least for one video I will try to make English as this language. So let me go with the subject. The subject is 2SL teams concept. This has been asked by so many people in my group and in my community tab, and so many personally also they have so many have asked this question. So that's the reason why I have been using this video. So my Telegram channel is available at the rate Tech Talk Scala Dream 11. You are always welcome out there. So let me get into the subject very quickly. So this introduction and purpose. This 2SL concept is nothing but creating a backup team along with the main team which we use. Normally we used to create one main team that team will be used to join so many contests and so many leagues. But this concept is creating a main team and a backup team. The concept is very clear. That's the if the main team flops by chance, since we have a backup team, there's always a chance to get profit from that team, because if you're playing with one main team, then whatever the lose or the win, we have to sacrifice it. But there is a second chance if you are using that backup team, because if that main team flops, then there is always another chance that we will get a profit from that backup team. So it is actually not a bad idea given the kind of competition now fantasy gaming is already having. Dream 11 heavy competitions we are having, so there is a chance we will lose to the main team. So a backup team can tackle that problem. So always go for plan B. That is the plan B is the backup team. So there are few things, some basic concept you need to go before going into this concept. So the one main thing I have to tell is that don't skip the video, as this is very useful for each and everyone, even the people from Kerala or the people from other than Kerala. It is very useful, so don't skip the video. How to make 2SL teams, the tactics that we'll be discussing in this slide. The main team should be made from your own idea, many of you are having so many ideas in your mind, your analysis, your logic, your instincts, everything will be made in that main team. That is your main team. You should not sacrifice on that even if you are taking a big risk. Suppose you are taking a big risk, a 4% selection person is available in your main team, so you should continue with that team. You should not sacrifice on that. Main team should be your team, purely your team. Backup team should be a safe team. You should not take any risk on that safe team. Probably you don't need to take a lot of risk. It should be a safe team given all the circumstances, pitch report and everything. You can refer all the analysis and all. That second team, backup team, should be a safe team. And the main thing is that equal investment should be made for both the teams. So don't over invest for any of the teams. Don't over invest in your main team or don't over invest in your backup team. Investment should be equal, as it can lead to loss. If you are investing too much on one team, then it can lead to loss for sure. So I will make you understand the profit or loss coverage by giving an example, because a lot of scenarios will be there. For example, one league I have chosen to make you understand this concept really well. For example, we are investing 12 into 20 leagues. You know, 12 is a 4-member league. 12 into 20 leagues for a match. So 10 leagues should be joined with the main team, and the rest 10 leagues should be joined with the backup team. So that is clear. 10 means 20. So total investment will be 12 into 20. That means rupees 240. That is 120 rupees each for both the teams, for main team and the backup team. So if main team flops and backup team wins, then it will be a clean sweep. Then we will get rupees 400, so the profit will be 160. So the basic idea is, if our risk pick is not working, then our main team will flop. Surely it will flop, and the safe team and the backup team will win for sure. So it will be a ultimate clean sweep. So from that clean sweep we'll be getting 400 rupees from that 12 leagues. So from that 10 leagues, 12 into 20, So we'll be getting 10 into 40, that means 400 rupees. So profit will be 160 rupees. Same thing and the other way also. If backup team is flopping, that the safe team is flopping and the risky pick, that means our team, main team is successing, then same thing, profit will be 160 rupees and we'll be getting rupees 400. If both the teams are clicking, means that it will be added advantage, then it will be double profit, rupees 800. That's the main thing. If both teams are losing, then rupees 240 lose. That cases are very rare because we are using two teams, backup team and main team. Main team is always a risky team and backup team is always a safe team, that I told you already. So in this scenario, I don't think this both team lose concept will be there, at least for this two member concept. So even if the result is mixed for all the leagues, so suppose you are investing 12 into 20 leagues, 10 each. So suppose the result is mixed. So 5 you win in that main team, 5 you win in that backup team. Then also the same thing. Profit will be the same, 160 rupees. So this is actually not a bad idea coming with this two teams, because I told now this is so much competition is going on in all the fantasy apps, not just in Dream 11, all the fantasy apps. So this is not a bad idea going with this kind of competition. But again, one thing I am repeating, don't ask for the time to join these teams, because so many people are asking what is the time to join, what is the time, what time you are preferring, like that. So don't ask me for time, because it always depends on different person. Always luck factor will be there. I always invest 10 to 15 minutes before starting of a match, and it has always worked for me. Whatever the time I have changed, it has reaped loss for me. Okay, I have tried to join one day before. I have tried to join 1 hour before. That made me in a huge loss. After that, I tried to follow this pattern 10 to 15 minutes before match, and it has worked like a charm. And conclusion is that going with this kind of investment is solely based on your wish, as I won't recommend it because it may not click for everyone. I personally don't use this method as it may get into confusion creating two teams and end up losing. I personally don't suggest this because I also personally don't follow this, because I told now it will be a confusion for me to create two teams. So might be the same thing happens, like main team will be a risky team and backup team will be also be a risky team. So you have to think about this before investing. And this tactics is used by so many people in my area, and all my friends, so many friends are using these tactics, and 60 to 70% are getting good results. So now no doubts regarding this is proven thing. And also one more thing, this will make your mind more relaxed, as we'll get sad even if our main team flops. Normally when our main team flops, people will get sad. So our all my cash has gone by, what to do? So in this scenario, there is always a second chance, that I told you. So if you are losing, you are completely losing that main team, means there is always a chance that you will get a clean sweep in that backup team. So always a luck factor, always a profit factor is already there with the backup team. So thanks for watching. This is my first English video in the channel, so hope you all will support me all over India. So share the channel, support my channel, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So with the other video I will come back soon. So bye all.